Guava leaves may seem like just another ordinary leaf to most people, but in reality, they possess a magical quality that has been utilized for centuries in various cultures around the world. These simple leaves have a wide range of medicinal properties that can benefit our health in numerous ways. One of the most well-known uses of guava leaves is for their ability to treat various skin conditions. The leaves contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce redness, itching, and swelling associated with skin irritations such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. By boiling guava leaves in water and applying the cooled liquid to the affected area, individuals can experience relief from these uncomfortable skin conditions. In addition to their skin-healing properties, guava leaves are also known for their ability to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. The leaves are rich in vitamin B, which is essential for maintaining healthy hair follicles and promoting new hair growth. By boiling guava leaves in water and using the cooled liquid as a hair rinse, individuals can strengthen their hair and prevent breakage, leading to thicker, fuller locks. Furthermore, guava leaves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. By consuming guava leaf tea or applying a guava leaf poultice to wounds, individuals can help prevent infections and promote faster healing. This makes guava leaves a valuable natural remedy for minor cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Another surprising benefit of guava leaves is their ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that guava leaf extract can help lower blood glucose levels in individuals with diabetes, making it a valuable supplement for managing this chronic condition. By incorporating guava leaves into their diet or taking guava leaf supplements, individuals with diabetes can improve their blood sugar control and reduce their risk of complications. In addition to their health benefits, guava leaves are also known for their culinary uses. In many cultures, guava leaves are used to add flavor to dishes such as soups, stews, and teas. The leaves have a unique, slightly sweet taste that can enhance the flavor of a wide variety of foods. They can also be dried and ground into a powder to be used as a seasoning or spice. Overall, guava leaves are a versatile and powerful natural remedy that can benefit our health in numerous ways. From treating skin conditions and promoting hair growth to regulating blood sugar levels and fighting off infections, these simple leaves have a wide range of medicinal properties that have been valued for centuries. Whether consumed as a tea, applied topically, or used in cooking, guava leaves are a valuable addition to any health-conscious individual's routine. So next time you see a guava tree, remember the magic that lies within its leaves.